Dekatayan Pakamalan, and this is the answer, Pure Living Wellness International. Am I right, everyone? Let's restore, let's sustain the beauty of Kapampangan.
Pasibay ako malay niya, Kuya Alvin Bautista na Exploring Pampanga. So for today's vlog guys, siya na-invite tayo sa grand launching ng Youthful Habit dito sa may Azuro Hotel. So si Youthful Habit guys, authorized partner siya di Pure Living. So yung mga items nila or mga products, mayroon sila nga Vitasense, Luxel, and yung Ultima. Mamaya is mag-start na yung pinaka-program nila or yung pinaka-event nila dito sa may Azuro Hotel or yung Youthful Habit. So later, check natin guys yung mga products ni Youthful Habit. So ito guys, yung mga ibang products ni Youthful Habit. So authorized partner ni Pure Living. So ito yung mga Luxel nila. So I think ito yung parang mist siya. Tatapat mo yung mukha mo dyan. And of course ito sa mga face din, yan pang massage. Or pagkakalong ko is pang patanggal lang ito, mga wrinkles. And of course guys, meron din sila mga beauty products like Gentle Purifying Cleanser. Kasi meron tayong mga skin restoring serum dito. So skin protecting cleanser, and of course sa mga cream yan, meron silang mga luminous face cream and neck and decolate cream, and ito face glowing cleanser. So napakaraming products ni Luxel. Ito naman kabalay yung pinaka ultima nila. So ano siya, dual nozzle aroma diffuser. So ito yung mga pinapatak yan sa mismong diffuser. So iba-ibang ano din sila flavor. So may bergamot tayo, lemon, neroli, yan. So may cinnamon, and of course yan dito brand new day, a breath of fresh air, apitots, and of course sa kabila yan dito mayroon tayong grapefruit, and ito kung gusto niyo ng lavender and eucalyptus. And syempre ito kabila, next natin check itong kanilang mga Vitasense. So mga equipment din sila yan. Ito tulad dito is nilalagay sa may shower, so pampalit dun sa mismong shower head. And ito naman, so may mga toothbrush tayo or tinatawag nilang Celine Crystal Sonic toothbrush. And of course, meron tayong Andy Pro face cleansing device dito. So ito rin, Pocket Pro face cleansing. And of course, dito naman yung mga filter dun sa mga shower heads nila. So Neo Vitamin Filter. So iba-ibang flavor din siya. Meron siyang lavender, rose, tea tree, lemon, and ito, tea tree din siya. So ito yung Neo External Vita Filter. So ito siya guys, yung sample niya. Actually ito yung napanalunan natin yung last event ni sa Azuro Hotel. Yan, galing kay Youthful Habit. Hindi pa natin siya nagamit. So yan, i-connect mo lang siya sa mismong hand shower. So yan, yung nakikita yung puti dito, yan yung pinaka filter niya. Tapos bago lumabas yung yung pinaka waters, dadaan dito sa filter, punta dito sa may shower head.
Beauty and wellness products and devices. Skincare, hair, and household products already available right in the comfort of your home. What are you waiting for? Come and join us on July 7th, 1 p.m. at the Azuro Hotel by Sunday Brand Pure Corporation. PLE, don't skip the habit. Ladies and gentlemen, you are all Youthful Habit!
Together with Pure Living and Luxel, this product will show you how we will use it, and this is the perfect time. Thank you so much for being here.
As they say, Inglabu Kapampangan, Dekatayan Pakamalan, and this is the answer, Pure Living Wellness International. Am I right, everyone? Let's restore, let's sustain the beauty of Kapampangan. A customer, a consumer. She found the product of this company effective. Look at her now. A luxurious beauty.
Manyaman po ang tamang beer sa masarap, no? Ayan. So before we start, let me introduce myself. First, my name is Paolo Rizabal. Our company believes in the importance of beauty and wellness in everyday lives. Luxel is our brand that focuses on beauty devices and then skincare products. Vitasys naman, on the other hand, is our wellness product that focuses on yung mga pwede sa bahay, like mga kitchen faucet, shower heads, and also cleansing devices. While Ultima is also a wellness product pwede din sa bahay because it focuses on diffusers and scented oils.
Extra protection and for layer of filtration, that's the thing that you're. Mas naman talaga, filtrated talaga yung water ninyo. Pwede natin gamitin yung medyo maliit. And energy that you want to have in your system. Like for example, kunin natin ang tea tree. Alam naman natin na ang tea tree, meron siyang antibacterial agent.
Kakatapos lang ng pinaka-grand launching ng Youthful Habit. So ito yung pinaka-first branch ng Pure Living by Arthur Evangelista. So ito din pinaka-authorized partner nila dito sa Pampangas. Kung interesado kayo sa mga products na pinakita ko kanina, yan, pasyalan nyo yung kanilang Facebook page, Youthful Habit, and of course sa kanilang Instagram account, Youthful Habit. Yun guys, hanggang dito na lang. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng videos ko. And syempre guys, huwag nyo kalimutan share ang video na para malaman ng ibang kabalian natin dyan, yung mga products ni Youthful Habit. And of course, yan, kung gusto yung maging reseller, PM ka lang kayo sa kanilang Facebook page. So until our next vlog, peace out!
Ladies and gentlemen,